Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on a tutorial / review of the Heidi Swapp Pom Pom Maker Kit. So I watched her live video on it on Instagram yesterday, and I went out to Joann's afterwards and bought one for myself because I've been making pom-poms lately using the fork method, and it was pretty frustrating, so I figured I would give this a try. So it comes in this really pretty floral box. And the nice thing about it is it has 4 different sizes of tools in here to make the pom-poms with. So there's an extra large, which I have not used yet. There's a large one, which is right here. I've already started one on there, a small, and then an extra small for the teeny tiny ones. It also comes with some thread and a plastic needle here, so if you want to make a garland to like string through the pom-poms or something. So I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys kind of how it's done on this one that I've already started here. So with the pom-pom maker, each side has these 2 black arms, and that's what you use to wrap your yarn around to make your pom-pom. So for instance, let me show you this one so that you can see, since the other one's already half done on both sides, okay? So all you're going to do is take your yarn and wrap it around these 2 black arms. It's really simple. And I already, for time's sake, did the other side like I said, so once you move on to your second side, you just want to try to make sure that it's even in thickness and bulkiness so that your pom-pom is a good shape. Although it doesn't have to be perfect because you are going to trim it anyways once you're done. I'm going to try to go as quickly as I can here. So you're just holding these 2 black plastic pieces together with your one hand, and then your other hand you're using to wrap your yarn around it. Just trying to cover all that black space. It's really easy. You could do this while watching TV at night. Okay, now this is not as thick as my other side, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more on here. Okay, so for time's sake, so you're not sitting here watching me thread this, I will stop there. So you're just going to snip your thread, and then you'll have a little piece here hanging off that you can just kind of tuck in between your other strands of yarn to hold it in place. Then what you're going to do is just close it like this, so now you have a circle. Now, those black arms create a groove in the middle of them. That's where you're going to put your scissors to start cutting your pom-pom. And you'll feel it as soon as you put your scissors in there. Now, my scissors are awful. I think small scissors that are really sharp are best for this. But, you know, I'm working with what I have here. So you're just cutting along that groove to sort of, you know, create that pom-pom. And you're going to do this obviously on both sides. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My cat was trying to come in my craft room. But so this is what it will look like when you're finished cutting. Okay, and then what you're going to do is cut off another piece of your yarn about 10 or 12 inches long. And in that same groove that you just cut through, you're going to put your string in there. Make sure you get it all the way down. You'll be able to feel it, you know, down in there. And you want to tie a knot as tight as possible. It's very important to get it as tight as possible so that your pom-pom isn't going to be falling apart. So really tug on those strings. And I like to do, you know, 2 or 3 knots just to be sure that it's very secure. Okay, do one more here. Okay, now you could either leave this string here to use to tie your pom-pom onto something when you're done, or you could snip it off. And then you just go ahead and take and open up your black arms again on each side, like that. And then you just simply take this, you pull this pom-pom maker apart. You gotta kind of pull a little hard. And there is your pom-pom, pops right off. So as I said, it's not perfect. You are going to have to do some trimming. You know, I've got some scraggly pieces here, but that's okay. And then you just trim, you know, as you'd like to get the shape and the look that you like. So here's some other ones I've done. And yeah, that's it. So I really, really love this product. I think it's amazing. And it was, I think $14.99 for the kit at Joann's. I believe it's exclusively sold at Joann. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and let me know. I hope this was a helpful video for you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.